State.
A day after the White House declared,
"We slowed the spread, we flattened the curve, we saved lives."
Another troubling spike in new coronavirus cases in the U.S., notably Florida. For the second day in a row, the Sunshine State setting a record for new cases with more than 9,500 reported Saturday. The previous record on Friday being just over 8,900 new cases. Young people gathering without masks appear to be the driving force, but the governor is stopping short of making face coverings mandatory.
To do police and put criminal penalties on that is something that is probably would backfire.
In Miami, the mayor announcing he'll sign an emergency order closing beaches for the 4th of July, worry the holiday will trigger a new pandemic peak. The mayor said if people are not going to be responsible and protect themselves and others from this pandemic, then the government is forced to step in and restore common sense to save lives.
It's worrisome, and there are some hospitals in Dade County that are getting close to capacity.
That county is not alone. Houston, Texas, too, is seeing a record number of hospitalizations.
The hospitals right now are managing it, and they've got surge plans in place. But if the community doesn't start behaving differently, there's going to be a limit to what the hospitals will handle. It's not today, that's 3 weeks from now.
An emergency alert buzzing on phones Friday urging Houston area residents to stay home. The coronavirus threat has been raised to its highest level, meaning the outbreak is severe and uncontrolled and worsening.
I will agree that it was my opinion then we were opening too quickly.
Texas was one of the first states in the country to begin reopening. Now the governor has hit the brakes. Tough news to hear for this bar owner.
If I can't make money, you know what? Call Tina, Maritza, Deborah, Daniel, Erica, and tell those bartenders they can't work now.
Meanwhile, the European Union is close to finalizing a list of countries whose citizens will be allowed to visit once it reopens. But as first reported by the New York Times, the U.S. is unlikely to make the cut. Confirmed coronavirus cases in the U.S. have now surpassed 2.5 million. But the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention thinks that number may be 10 times higher. For City News, I'm Caryn Ceolin.